I have a secret today. Do you know what the secret is? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kazaya, the priceless teacher, and what I do is help you with sounds and pronunciation. I have a secret today. Do you know what the secret is? Letter A can give the awesome. Do you want to know the secret to that rule? Come, let me show you the rule. Whenever you see your letter A after the letter W, it gives the awesome. Here are some examples. Wallet, swap, wash, warrior, once. Do you have some other examples? Leave that in the comments. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you find this information helpful and educative. I remain Kazaya, the priceless teacher. See you next time.